How to get Gemini subscription for free. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can get your Gemini Pro subscription for free. So what you want to do first is basically download Gemini Pro or the Gemini application. Go over to Play Store, tap on the search bar at the bottom right, and then simply go to the search bar and search for Gemini. If you already have the app, you can open it up. If you don't have it, you'll find an install button right over here. Tap on open and make sure to log into your account. I've logged in using my Google account, and then you'll get to this new chat page. At the top right, you'll find profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Then right under manage your Google account, you have upgrade to Google AI Pro. You just have to tap on it. Then what it's going to do is it's going to present you with all the available options for Pro membership. The first one is Google AI Pro, and you're going to get higher access to the most capable model 2.5, deep research on 2.5 Pro, and unlock video generation with limited access to VO3. Then you'll have Flow, get access to AI filmmaking tools, Whisk, 1000 monthly AI credits, Notebook LM, and then you have Jules and 2 terabyte of storage. So just go ahead and continue on with the first option, which is 0 months per dollar for 1 month. So it's going to be completely free of cost. Tap on Get Google AI Pro. Once you tap on it, you're going to have to agree to their terms and condition. Tap on Agree. And then the next step is to provide your card details. It's not going to cost you anything. You basically have to add your card. So let's just tap on add credit or debit card and add card to your account. Once you have added your card, you should be able to use Google AI Pro with all of these extra perks, and you can cancel it anytime you want within these 1 month. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.